Transform the way you plumb kitchens, bathrooms and utility rooms with JG Speedfit's extended range. Discover our tap connectors, service, check and stop valves, all made in the UK to our trusted standards. It's the widest range of push-fit valves and tap connectors, available in both plastic and chrome-plated. Different options, sizes and configurations are designed to make installations hassle-free, especially in tight spaces, with no tools or hot works required. There's everything you need for kitchens. Our JG Speedfit appliance connectors make installing washing machines and dishwashers quick and easy. We also offer single and double check valves to prevent backflow and the risk of contamination. And if you're trying to connect an American fridge freezer, our 2-in-1 valve has a simple lever to isolate water during installation and servicing. For utility rooms, our extended range also includes inline shutoff valves to quickly isolate an appliance or a specific zone. There's also a stop valve to shut off water to the entire plumbing system. In bathrooms, our push-fit service valves connect and isolate water to basins, toilets, baths and showers fast. Our extensive range features service valves with tamper-proof metal screwdriver slots, easy-to-operate handles, plus options with integrated tap connectors. We have more than 10 different flexi hoses, in a range of sizes, lengths and materials, providing a more flexible way of piping water to an appliance or fixture. Discover the trusted simplicity of push-fit connections you can install, demount and refit in seconds, with instant grip on plastic or copper pipe. Experience our extended range. JG Speedfit, the plumber's push-fit.